Time witnesses our growth, and effort brings us glory. With 2 decades of dedication, HuaHao has set an unmatched standard in the non-woven industry. We pursue excellence. Since our founding in 2003, HuaHao has consistently advanced in the non-woven industry, specializing in spun melt, spunless, and end products. We offer comprehensive solutions across medical and healthcare, cleaning and hygiene, and green packaging. We plan for innovation, leading and participating in the development of multiple national and industry standards. We have achieved numerous patents and copyrights. We strive for excellence. Our 8 factories across China deliver products and services to the same high standard. By strengthening and expanding the non-woven industry chain, HuaHao is dedicated to becoming the most professional food chain intelligent manufacturer of green packaging. From master batch production to fabric, from printing and laminating to bag making, we have full R&D and production capabilities, setting a new standard for the green and intelligent transformation of the traditional bag industry. For over 20 years, we have moved forward alongside global partners, striving to become a world-class manufacturer of high-end non-woven materials.